up the. Do you need a range up there at the hand?
I have one here.
You got one.
There's nothing in there. It's not coming out.
What are you doing with the arm?
That is going to come apart.
Do you guys want any more hands or are you good?
Yeah, hang out with me.
Yeah, I'm right here.
There you are. Okay, dude.
Okay.
Zach?
Yep.
Maybe what you'll do is you'll look at this that we don't knock. This is gonna break.
Yep.
Here.
Yep.
Yep. This is gonna be interesting.
Oh, because you're covering it up?
Yeah, so let's kind of, we'll lift and pull that way. Watch that. Once we break, yeah, and you'll like scream.
Great. I'll scream. They're like, fingers, fingers!
Did it come apart?
Yep, it's coming. Great. It came out.
All right, I got it. Here we go.
You're right by my hand? Great. You're good.
Hold on, this is first. David? All right. Yes, yes. Do we want to put her back on or not? Thank you.
Of course. Sure,
Hey,
you
bitch. Hello. Yeah, so we cut off here quite a bit of foam, maybe up to 1.5 to 2 inches. Very, very thick. And then this arm of the father going off to battle has to be also sculpted, and I think that's going to come down a lot in scale. Now we're going to take off this grouping, and I'll start working on the first mother figure with Evelyn. What do you normally do?
Here if you need anything, guys. Yeah, I think just stabilizing it. Because it's not like
Hold on, I want to get off.
What's up?
All right, let's go. Rotate.
Hi.
But we gotta come to the ground. You want to be on the ground. Just put it down, don't you think? Because you want to be on the ground. This is like Three Stooges. And we want to drop her now.
Yeah, we will.
We'll drop like fast, like earlier.
Okay, it's gonna slowly come down in a moment.
Might not, but you might have to wait jiggle. Okay. Oh boy.
It's your head, that's my body.
That's fine. All right, well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to set Evelyn up so her head is right about here. And then I'm going to look back and forth and see what I need to do to make that look like her. And I'm working from this angle because that side you don't see so much, but you're, as a viewer, when you're walking, this is the side you see. So I'm going to be putting her here, probably standing here in cubes and doing one-to-one comparison. And then we'll just start to restructure the face and make it look like the other head. All right, let's have a look-see. Evelyn, come Yeah, take a look. That's pretty good. That's pretty damn good. Yep, we're there. All right. Perfect. Or build a platform. Yeah, I don't even know. Sculpt all the way to the seam line. All right, somewhere I'm aligning, and then what I'm going to do is hit from this angle, do hairline, replace ear, and general proportions on face. The projection on this is flat. And the planes are flat too. It's basically dead, so we got to make it look like it's a breathing human being and has some life in it. Right now it's a digital piece of crap. It is, it's a digital piece of crap. It's not art. It's like a fucking... Sorry, honey. It looks like a mannequin. Okay, so you don't have the F word.